Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another set of beautiful nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Elite 99 gray gel polish in the number 001, and we're going to do that on her thumb and on her middle finger. Alrighty, so up next I'm going to go in with this teal color, and it's also by Elite 99, and it's in the number 4909. And then to clean around the cuticle area, I'm going to be using my little OPI gel brush, and I'm just going to dip it in acetone and then just wipe around where I got it on the skin. Once again, this is a teal color by Elite 99 in the number 4909, and then we're going to do this on the rest of her fingers, and we're going to cure this hand for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. We're doing that gray color on the middle finger and the thumb, and we're doing the teal color on the rest of her fingers. And I'm using my Nideon UV LED light, and I do still have a promo code for this light, so if anybody is interested, I'll leave that link in the description. Alrighty, so then we're going to go in and do a second coat of both colors, and then we're going to cure that for another 30 seconds. And y'all, those colors are so pretty together, like that teal and that gray. They just make a perfect combination. So she did a really good job of picking those two colors. So once again, we're going to do a second coat on both hands, and then we're going to cure them for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now for my nail art, I'm going to go in with that same teal color. As you can see, I'm going to put a little bit on the back of this nail art wheel. And then I'm using my small nail art brush, which will be back on my website once I restock. So whenever I'm doing the nail art like this, I like to usually go in and draw that one line in the middle to use as a guide. And then I outline the whole nail, as you can see here. And then after that, I kind of just start drawing random little lines all over the inside of the nail. Once again, I'm using my small nail art brush, and I'm using that same teal color, which is a gel polish. So as you can see, I'm just going to start drawing just random lines. It don't matter where you place them at. I just start just drawing lines. So once again, I'm using that teal color and my small nail art brush and that teal color. Alrighty, so as you can see, I did the same thing for the thumb. I did the line in the middle, I outlined the whole nail, and then I just go in and start drawing just random lines in the middle. And it is that gel polish, so we are going to have to cure these nails again, and I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. And we're going to do the same thing to her middle finger and her thumb on her other hand. So it's pretty simple. You're literally just drawing random little lines. And once again, this is the small nail art brush that I'll have on my website, which will be up pretty soon. Alrighty, so now we're going to go back and add a little bit of bling to her ring finger, her pinky, and her index finger. I'm using my wax pencil, my Mia Secret gel resin, and I'm using my SS12. And then I am going to go back and spray my Mia Secret gel resin activator just to help that glue dry. And after that, we're going to apply our IBD gel top coat, and we're going to cure those for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so I did the same thing on the other hand. I applied the bling and then I applied the IBD Chill top coat. So this is the final look. They turned out really pretty. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNail32. And I'll see you guys in my next video.